In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Cuphead's debug menu. So what you want to do is you want to go over here to the little gear. You want to click on it. You want to click uninstall. Then you want to go to the little gear again, go to properties, go to betas, and then go to legacy no patches. And then reinstall it. So, okay, after it's done downloading, what you want to do is you want to go to the little cogwheel again. You want to go to manage, browse local files. So here's my Cuphead files. So what you want to do is you want to go to Cuphead data, open it. You want to copy level 0. You want to copy level 0. And you want to, well, I already had that on there, so. And then you want to paste it on the desktop. So next what you want to do is you want to go to level 7. You want to copy that and paste it on the desktop also. Paste. So the next thing you want to do is you want to go to level 0, delete it. You don't need it. Delete it. Then you want to go to level 7 and rename it to level 0. Then what you want to do is you want to click up right here. Then you want to drag level 7 to level 0, and then you'll go all the way down there. So then you can exit out of this, and you can go to your Cuphead. You have to have it in the. I have it on desktop shortcut, which I think will make it work. Yeah, here you go. Here's the Cuphead debug menu.